In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a trademark symbol in Adobe Photoshop. This is a really quick but useful trick, especially if you create logos, product mockups, or any kind of branded design. Adding the trademark symbol in the right place helps make your work look professional and polished. And once you know the shortcut, it only takes a second. First, open Adobe Photoshop and load the project you're working on. This could be a logo, a banner, a social media graphic, or anything that includes a brand name. Once your file is open in the editor, look over to the toolbar on the left side of the screen and select the Type tool. The icon usually looks like a capital letter T. With the Type tool selected, click exactly where you want the trademark symbol to appear. Often, this will be just after a word or logo, slightly above the baseline, but for now, just place your text cursor where you want it to go. If you already have placeholder text there, highlight that text so that the symbol replaces it. Now, the way you insert the trademark symbol depends on whether you're using Windows or a Mac. On Windows, make sure your text cursor is active inside your Photoshop document. Then you'll use an Alt code. Hold down the Alt key on your keyboard and while still holding it, type 0183 using the numeric keypad on the right side of your keyboard. It's important to use the numeric keypad, not the number keys along the top, because Alt codes only work with the keypad. When you release the Alt key, the trademark symbol should appear right where your cursor was. On a Mac, the shortcut is even simpler. Click to make sure your text cursor is active in the Photoshop document. Then press Option and the number 2 key at the same time. As soon as you do this, the trademark symbol will appear in your text. Once you've done this, you should see the small TM symbol next to your text. You can format it just like any other character. Change the font, adjust the size, or tweak the color so it matches your design. If it looks too large, try reducing the font size just for that character, or move it slightly if you want a more customized placement. And that's it. Now you know how to quickly and easily insert a trademark symbol in Adobe Photoshop on both Windows and Mac.